everybody, my name is Aisha Hamnah. I am from KG1C. Today I like to talk about SDG goal number 15, that is life on land. Our earth is covered with living things. All the living things cannot survive alone. To grow and flourish, they need a support of an ecosystem. Ecosystem consists of living and non-living things. Plants and trees are the important part of an ecosystem. Practice of seed bombing is a great step to restore our barren lands. Throwing a simple ball of clay, sand, and seed, we fertilize the areas we cannot reach. As you can see, I made a seed ball. When I go outside, I throw them. It's our responsibility to protect what is left and fix what we have destroyed. Thank you all.